If you're unable to send voice messages on WhatsApp, here is how to fix it quickly in your Android phone. First, check your internet connection. Voice messages need a stable connection, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it works. Next, make sure WhatsApp has microphone permission. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management or Manage App depends on your phone model. Then find WhatsApp from the list. Tap on it, tap on Permissions, and ensure the microphone is enabled. Without this, you can't record or send audio. Now go to Settings again, then Apps, App Management or Manage Apps, whatever it is. Find WhatsApp again, then Storage, and tap on Clear Cache. This will not delete any chats but can fix minor glitches. If your storage is full, WhatsApp might struggle to send audio. Go to Settings again, find your storage option and free up some space if needed. Make sure WhatsApp is up to date. Go to the Play Store, search for WhatsApp and tap Update if it's available. Still having trouble? Restart your phone and try again. A quick reboot can refresh app functions and clear background errors. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the voice message sending issue on WhatsApp. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful fixes. Thank you so much.